Yeah, I would literally just pause everything but the stuff that's already getting sales, see how much budget you can throw at those, like,
Mhm.
because you're getting rid of all the other spend, and just be fine with running that. Like, some of those campaigns, if you have $20 a day, $20 a day on like a single keyword that you can actually rank and get sales on is going to be better than like
Spreading it
50
out
different
and
things. So the thing that like is like hard with accounts like this, you're like, oh, I wish I could test that. Like, I need to find keywords that work. If you
Mhm.
actually have something that is getting sales, especially like if it's just not converting on everything, like, as much as it seems like a cop out running like one campaign with like even like one exact match keyword that you just keep like every day going in and like micro adjusting,
Mhm.
that's like sometimes that's all you can do. I think that conversation is easier if you say, hey, we have this keyword that's getting like a couple sales a day. We're running out of budget. Then you can, even at that point, you can use the budgeting tab. So once you get that running, see how it says like the potential missed sales. I'm like, hey, you wanted to get this much budget. We're saying we're estimating this much in missed sales projected, and say like, okay, so this is very relative. Like Amazon, these numbers are not accurate, but they're telling us you need like $40 a day, and they're saying that we think you can get this much extra sales if you have if you have a budget. Like that one is saying recommended budget's $20, and they're saying you can eke more sales out of it. If they're getting results, I would just pause everything and I would see like, okay, so now you have more budget to throw at those ones because you don't have to worry about the rest of it. And those are all sponsored products, correct? So your budget cap will work. So even if you put like crazy
Yep.
budgets there, you could even like bump all the budgets up to $20 and just kind of see which one ekes out the most spend in sales, and then go through and adjust the budgets. Like, just do that over the next couple of days and just tell them like, hey, we already have things that are working. We have things that are getting some sales. We're just going to hyper focus on these for the next week. We're going to see how much we can maximize what we have based on your current budget. And then we can talk about projections, blah, blah, blah.